Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Tris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial on how to make reaction thumbnails professionally. Like Cenat, Duke, all the AMP members, all the famous people. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how to make thumbnails like them. You know what I'm saying? Or similar to them. Alright. If y'all do enjoy the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when I drop a video. Um, and make sure I go mess with my Discord. I'm trying to build a community. So you know what I'm saying? Make sure I go join there. Make sure I follow every TikTok, follow my TikTok, my Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Just support basically. All right. You don't gotta do all I said, but just do at least one of those things. You know what I'm saying? It only take like 5-10 seconds out your day. You know what I'm saying? You got 24 hours in a day. It only takes 10 seconds. So boom. Enough yapping. Let's get straight into the video. All right, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to download. Or I use a Logitech webcam right now, so I have this Logitech uh app or software. It's called Logitech Capture. If you have a Logitech webcam, you can use this. I recommend using it. But if you don't, what I usually do is I usually go on OBS. I'm gonna show y'all. What I used to do is when I have my old camera, I usually go on OBS and put it in like a full screen mode, and I would take a picture of my face, you know what I'm saying, reacting to the video, or like acting like I'm reacting to the video, and I would like screenshot it. I would screenshot it, and so boom, you can do that. But once you either take a picture by like clicking this button, you can easily click this button by using Logitech app, or you could, like I said, take a screenshot. So boom, once you're done doing that, you wanna then go on YouTube and get the video that you're reacting to. So for example, um I'm gonna just click on this Casanat video. All right, what you want to do is you want to press share, then press copy. All right, easy, simple. Once you're done doing that, you want to open a new tab and type in YouTube thumbnail grabber. All right, type that in, and you want to type in. I said type in. You want to copy and paste the link. All right. Once you're done doing that, press get thumbnail images, and it's gonna show up a bunch of thumbnails in different resolutions. You want to choose 1280 by 720. All right, because that's the YouTube thumbnail resolution. That's the default YouTube thumbnail resolution. So once you do that, press download image and save it to your PC. All right. Now once you're done doing that, you wanna do one more thing. Do one more thing. Type in, open a new tab and type in background remover. I use pixel cut because I feel like that's the best. But you can use whatever you like to use if you already. But it's a thumbnail. My fault. My fault. But use pixel cut. All right. So boom. What you want to do is you want to upload image and upload the image. For example, I'm gonna use one of these images I used for my previous thumbnails. You want to let's use this one. All right. It's gonna automatically remove the background out your video. I said out the video, out the picture. All right, boom. Once you're done doing that, you want to download. Press download at the top right. All right, you can download either in full resolution or preview resolution. It really don't matter. Um, Once you're done doing that, you want to go back to Photo P and press new project and press YouTube thumbnail. Boom, right? Once you got that, you want to load in everything that you saved. All right, so load in the thumbnail that you got from Thumbnail Grabber, upload the background remover thing that you got, and yeah. So I'm gonna do that right quick. All right, so you see I loaded in both of them. So boom, what you want to do is you want to take the thumbnail that you copy that you react to, and you want to put it in the new project tab. All right, I see the new project tab. You want to drag this into the new project tab. Then what you want to do is you want to take your face and drag it in also. All right, boom, easy. Now what you want to do is you want to put it in a corner. If you facing the right side, if your face, you see how my face is like is looking to the left, put it on the right side. If you looking to the right, put it on the right side. I mean on the left side. You know what I'm saying? So boom, you can do that. You can like rotate it a little bit, increase the size just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Make it to how you want it to look. So boom, you got it right there. Make sure you lock the background too, just for right now. All right, so you won't move anything. All right, so once you do that, this is a very important tip. I don't think a lot of people know, but what you want to do is you want to right click this, the face, press blending options, and then press drop shadow. Right. Once you done doing that, you want to type in 90. Type in 90. Turn this off. Type in 90. Then what you want to do is put the opacity to 100 and turn distance and size all the way down. Now, if you don't see the difference, I'm gonna show y'all. All right, basically, hold on. Basically, this is what it looks like. This is the difference. It makes it pop a little bit more. You see like the little outline. I don't know if y'all can see, but you see like the little outline. It's like an outline. It makes it pop a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? You want to do that. Once you're done doing that, I usually do this. I go to like filter, turn the noise off. If you have noise in the what's it called it, turn this off, and then you wanna. I mean, not to turn it off, but copy what I just did, and you wanna go to sharpen, and go to unmask, unsharp mask. Once you done doing that, turn this to 100. Oh, stop. Turn this to 100, and turn this to like 2.5. All right. Once you're done doing that, you can do the same thing for the background if you want to, but I'm gonna leave it as it is. But I recommend doing the same thing for the background. I'm not gonna do it just for the sake of the video. But then once you're done doing that, you want to go to image, go to adjust, and go to vibrance. What you want to do is you want to copy these exact settings. All right. Once you're done doing that, um, you basically almost done finish. Now what you can do is I'm gonna put this in the link in the bio. Download. You can download this file. I have downloaded. Shout out to this YouTuber. His name is NF Dragon. I downloaded his pack. I use it for my thumbnails. Download. I'm gonna put this in the link in the description. You wanna download that and drag it in or open it. When you're done doing that, you can add this vibrance right here. Makes the whole like thing pop a little bit more. You see, it makes the colors pop a little bit more. You could drag it under here if you don't want your skin to be too like colory or whatever. Have too much vibrance. But I'm gonna just put it like this. I'm gonna put it under. All right. You don't need these tabs anymore. You could delete them. So boom, once you're done doing that, you could put in go to press this little T right here on the side and change the font. Now I recommend y'all downloading this font. It's called Oblex Pro. If I said that right, I don't know if I said that right. You can use this. I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers use this. Set this to however much you feel like using. I'm gonna put it 25 just for the sake of the video. Or I said 25, 75. Left click and type in whatever you want to type in, like catch the whatever you think that's gonna catch the audience attention. Type that in. So basically like I'm gonna put Kai had his girlfriend in this video, so I'm gonna put Kai new girlfriend or something like that. Kai new girlfriend. Boom, boom, something like that. Now, what you want to do is, you want to right click, go to blending options, and you want to put stroke on. All right, turn on stroke. You could adjust the size to whatever you feel like. I'm gonna keep it as 3. You want to go to color overlay. You could change it to whatever color you want. I'm gonna change it to yellow because that catches like that's the fastest color. If you didn't know, that's the fastest color that humans can react to. So boom, I'm gonna do that, and you can put drop shadow too. Change the distance to like 7, 11. 11 looks good. I'm gonna increase the stroke right quick to like 5, 7. That looks straight. Boom, put it like right here, something like that. And then boom. Now what you want to do is you want to save or export as PNG. Name whatever you want, it really don't matter. Save, it sounds saved to your computer, and boom, now you have a thumbnail. Easy, simple. It took less than 10 minutes or less than 15 minutes. Boom, simple, easy. Now go make you some YouTube videos and go grind. All right, it's your boy Trish, and we out.